Hello, I wanted to share a little trick that I do to make molds using a 3D printed shell. Now, I like these shells to print fairly quickly, and so I print them in vase mode. Well, vase mode is usually not very strong, but simply changing the perimeter thickness and a little bit of extrusion, the extrusion width there, can make this much stronger. It's not delaminating or anything. I can pretty much abuse this material, but it flexes just enough so that if I fill this with silicone, it's easy enough to take out. What I do is I laser cut shapes and glue them into the bottom like this, and then fill it with silicone, and then I've got molds. So anyway, I just wanted to talk about that. If you up the perimeter thickness, then it'll make a much stronger vase mode. I use the same technique when I make let's see, I don't have any sitting here handy, but I do vase mode jars and stuff, and I do the same technique, but then I use like a 0.6 or even up to a 0.8 nozzle. This was done with a 0.4 nozzle. This is just PLA, and it is fairly strong. And I wouldn't even doubt that this is probably watertight, just because it squeezes together so well, and yet it's plenty smooth. So anyway, just a little tip I wanted to share. Thanks for watching. Later.